To pay for your IKEA credit card, you can follow these simple steps. First, you need to determine which payment method you prefer, as IKEA offers several options for making payments. You can pay your IKEA credit card bill online by visiting the Community Capital Bank website, which is the issuer of the IKEA credit card. To do this, you will need to create an account or log in to your existing account. Once you are logged in, you can navigate to the Payments section and enter the amount you want to pay. You will also need to provide your bank account and routing number to complete the payment. Alternatively, you can pay your IKEA credit card bill by phone by calling the customer service number on the back of your card. You will need to follow the automated prompts to make a payment, which will require you to enter your card number and payment information. You can also pay your IKEA credit card bill by mail by sending a check or money order to the address listed on your statement. Be sure to include your account number on the check or money order to ensure that the payment is applied correctly. In addition to these methods, you can also pay your IKEA credit card bill in person at a Community Capital Bank location. To find a location near you, you can visit the Community Capital Bank website and use their store locator tool. Regardless of which payment method you choose, it is important to make your payment on time to avoid late fees and interest charges. You can also set up automatic payments to ensure that your payment is made on time each month. It is also a good idea to review your statement each month to ensure that all of the information is accurate and that you are being charged correctly. If you have any questions or concerns about your IKEA credit card account, you can contact customer service for assistance. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily make an IKEA credit card payment and stay on top of your account. Remember to always make your payments on time and review your statement regularly to avoid any issues with your account.